Elliott, pretty much a scientist himself. And so, John, I mean, that view of the frozen Hudson behind you, you can sort of see that we're moving closer towards the city with the actual water without the ice cap on top.
I don't know. It's still going to be rough for ferries.
Freezing, though,
yeah.
John.
Yeah, brutal out there. So you got to be mindful that that's the line right there. We're dealing with wind chills today. I think that are going to be far more challenging than they were yesterday. I'm sorry about that. Wind chill right now is 4 below. Big storm passes us offshore today. Suffolk, you may see a few flakes. That's it. Wave energy, so mindful of the risk of coastal flooding. Gusts 30 to 40. Yes, stronger gusts than we had yesterday. So it's going to feel like the single digits for much of the day, for much of the area. I'm sorry. Finally, going to hit the freezing mark Monday through Wednesday. And then we're back to well below normal to wrap up the week. 2 chances for snow. So we finally hit the freezing mark Monday into Wednesday. Oh, man, we don't get one of these great records. So here's the deal. 8 days in the books below freezing. Today will be 9. Now, I mean, if you want to make the list, the record is 1961, 16 days below freezing. You know what I say to this, though? I say, I mean, we've got to give ourselves a little bit of grace here because, yeah, it's one thing to be 31, 30, or 29. We've been 10. We've been real feels at 10 below. This has been an exceptionally cold, extended period. So even if we don't make the record books, I will not be sad to see it go. This thing is still bringing snow to parts of North Carolina after devastating storms and all kinds of incidents. They don't have the gear to get rid of it. Measuring not by the inch, but, well, not by the foot, but they could see up to a foot. Here's the European. I just want to show a few things. There's the storm missing us into Groundhog Day, where we could see a shadow or two. More on that next hour. Wednesday morning, some light snow. This is Wednesday morning, clearing during the day. And then Friday night into Saturday morning. This is the European model right now, pretty aggressive with this. And as we look at the next 7 days, comparing just 2 models, the Euro's only bringing in 1.5 inches for the week. That's a blessing. It will mean we'll top off what snow we have, but we're not going to be adding that much more movable snow. It will just make for some slippery roadways on Wednesday, and then again Friday into Saturday. Obviously, as we zero in on that midweek and to wrap up the week, we'll talk about it. One thing you'll notice, though, we're right back well below normal Friday into Saturday. Coming up in our next half hour, we're going to talk about groundhog tradition. Why do we even care? Why do we do this every year? And what does it look like for this year?
I think it gives people a little hope that maybe spring is near.
I have better news coming up after that. We've got your holiday countdown.
Ooh.
I've never thought about what Groundhog Day must be like as a phenomenon for a meteorologist. Like
I just watched the movie and Bill Murray.
I tell you guys every day about the actual weather, and you're waiting for an animal to see its shadow. John, thank you.
We'll tell you what.